Hello everybody, my name is Timothy and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a tour of one of the newest service residences right here in Georgetown, Penang. This is 22 Macalisterz. Whether you are visiting Penang for business, leisure or even considering a property here, this video is intended to show you everything about this building, so you'll be going everywhere from the outside to the inside, to the lobby, to the guest rooms, the pools and its many facilities. So let's get started. For your information, 22 Macalisterz is a modern 36-story service residence along Macalister Road at the junction of Exsim Road right here in Georgetown. It occupies a plot next to a heritage building which is preserved and incorporated into the development. It is on the part of Georgetown that is undergoing urban redevelopment. Over the past few years, several high-rise buildings have been completed here. The choice of location here is that it's outside the World Heritage Site, meaning there's no height restriction, so developers are allowed to build taller than within the heritage site. And at the same time, it is within walking distance to famous street food places such as New Lane and Macalister Road itself. On top of that, there are numerous cafes in the surrounding areas, and for those coming to Penang for medical purposes, there are also several major hospitals nearby. So we can say that 22 Macalisterz blends convenience with contemporary living for people who want to be in the heart of Georgetown with all the amenities within easy reach. Come now, let's step inside, and as we do so, we find a stylish lobby designed with a touch of sophistication. It has high ceiling with a modern hanging chandelier and contemporary decor. On one side is the reception desk to assist guests who are checking into their units, and there's a comfortable waiting area for those meeting up with friends and business associates. Now let's head up to see the rooms. For your information, all the units at 22 Macalisterz have been sold out. The units were sold as bare units, semi-furnished units as well as fully furnished ones. We will take a look at the different finishings and designs that the different owners have opted for. Units at 22 Macalisterz come in two different sizes, 340 square feet units and 497 square feet units. What we are seeing here is the 497 square feet unit. It is essentially a single open plan unit but has been partitioned and furnished to create a cozy two-bedroom suite. And here's a 340 square feet unit that is furnished as a studio suite. Despite its rather modest size, the units have been cleverly furnished to feel spacious and cozy. The large windows bring in plenty of natural light while offering views of the city skyline and beyond. There's a well-equipped bathroom with a shower, toilet and wash basin. And over on this side, there's a kitchenette equipped with essential appliances for light cooking. They are created specifically for guests on short and long-term stays, striking a balance between a comfortable urban setting with a strategic location in the heart of Georgetown. Now let's go view the facilities. They are spread over two levels. The pool, gym and viewing deck or bar are on the top floor, which is the 36th floor, while a landscape garden and barbecue area is on the 11th floor. Now let's go view the sky deck. From here we can catch a wonderful view of Georgetown in three different directions. On the other side of the top floor is the infinity pool with the jacuzzi. The pool wraps around with stupendous views in three directions. Next to the pool is the gym with a wide range of exercise equipment. Next, we tour the landscape garden, which is on the 11th floor. Over here is the barbecue area. The barbecue equipment is available for use with a deposit. And finally, there's a co-working lounge for guests to do their work or to have meetings. So that's our tour of 22 Macalisters here in Georgetown, Penang. Let me just quickly go through with you the rest of the places like the lift lobby and the letterbox area. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions about 22 Macalisters or Penang in general, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.